Hi guys, this is, I don't know what we're gonna call this, but I'm gonna be opening this Yu-Gi-Oh's Pharaoh Servant box. This is obviously a reprint. This is not the old school original box, so not first edition, but this is good for the nostalgic vibes and a lot easier on the wallet. So yep, I've been watching a bunch of old school unboxings, and it just gives me a big nostalgia trip. So I picked myself one of these up on Amazon. So it was only like 80 bucks, which I'm pretty happy about. There's a little bit of damage to it, but hopefully the cards are okay. Yeah, big things that I'm looking for in this are the Jinzo. So hopefully we can get just one of those. I haven't really looked too much into this set, like for what a bunch of ones that I want. But yeah, I'm just hoping we can get something cool. So let's get all this plastic off. This is also going to be my first unboxing ever, so you guys will have to bear with me. So, it's been a while since I've opened one of these. Yeah. Go ahead and take all these packs out. Oh my god, I wish you guys could, like, I don't know if it's weird, but just like the Yu-Gi-Oh smell just that card smell that you get from these is just wild. So here, we'll take the left one, so we'll put them over here. And we'll start with the right side, So, oi oi oi. First pack. I opened a Japanese reprint of these, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get the Jinzo. Main reason I want Jinzo is Joey's my favorite character, and when he won the Jinzo, then what's it called? It became one of my favorite cards in addition to the Red Eyes Black Dragon. I forget what the card trick is. Let's just try. Isn't it 4? Okay, we'll try 4 and let's see if I mess this up already or not. Okay, well, I think we're good. So, Numinous Healer, Island Turtle, Respect Play. I love that old school art. Oh, 4-star Ladybug. Probably gonna see a lot of these. Driving Snow. Steel Ogre Grotto number 2. Mechanized Iron Doll with tremendous strength. Gust. Twin-headed Fire Dragon. And the last card, Gravity Bind. Cool. Just a rare, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool effect. Level 4 higher monsters cannot attack, so pretty hard to get over. My roommate. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bombardment Beetle. Major Riot. It's like the cards that have like goblins in it. I don't know why, but for some reason goblins are one of my favorite fantasy creatures. Respect Play, Skull Mariner, Radius. I just played some Master Duel earlier, and there was somebody playing with like a Gradius deck, and these things are pretty annoying. Shadow of Eyes. When a monster is set on your opponent's field, target one of the set monsters, change that set monster face-up attack position. Ground Collapse. Okay, wait, we might have something, maybe. Okay. Light Force Sword, rare. And Backup Soldier. I'm not super duper familiar with the rarities on these. I'm pretty sure this is a super rare. You guys can correct me in the comments, but yeah, because when it's just the foil, I'm pretty sure it's a super. Could be wrong, but probably am, but who knows. Alright, got it sleeved up. And some music. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That card bent. Oof. Oh no. I don't know if you guys see it, but it's got a big bend. Hopefully this isn't a good card. It does have a foil, like the foil bend, so it might have something. Hopefully nothing good. Hopefully not the Jinzo. All-Seeing White Tiger. Flame Champion. Mr. Volcano. The Regulation of Tribe. Darkfire Soldier number 2. Solomon's Law Book. Overdrive. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. Nobleman of Extermination. This is a cool looking card. Definitely old school vibes. No shot. No shot, dude. Oh my god. It is the Jinzo, but well, I mean, look at that shine. But why is this one has to have this little crease in it right here? Oh well, but that's awesome. 3 packs in. Dude, that shine looks insane. Jinzo. Trap cards and their effects on the field cannot be activated. Negate all trap effects on the field. Dude, oh my god, that's awesome. Unfortunate that it was on the on the Jinzo that we got this little crease, but you know, I'll take it. So, that's awesome. Oh, I'm gonna put that in the old top loader. I got these like literally 30 minutes ago. So, never had these before, but you know, they look pretty decent. got them all sleeved up in there. Yeah, okay. But that's awesome though, we got the card. I haven't even been able to really appreciate it. I've just been looking through the camera. But let me look at this. Dude, oh my god. That's the one we wanted. That is the one that we wanted. Alright. I really like that one too. That one's awesome. Well, anything other than that, what's it called? I think it's definitely gonna be extra, so take whatever we can get. Oh, I gotta do the card trick, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, look how uncentered that card is right here. Super wide on this side, very little on that. Right, yeah, we're good. Alright. Infinite Dismissal. Flying Kamakiri. Wingweaver. Very normal type. Reminds me a lot of Honest. Looks a lot like Honest. It's probably my second favorite series is the Elemental Hero kind of GX era of cards. And so maybe I'll do an opening later on. Gamble. Obviously it's not the most effective or what's it called? Efficient kind of playing with games, but definitely enjoy the more Joey style of like gambling cards where it's like a roll of some sort. So yeah, 7 completed. Steel Ogre Grotto number 2. Mystic Probe. Reign of Mercy. And Magic Drain. Rare. I'm going to start going a little bit faster if you've seen a bunch of these cards already, but we'll see. So, I don't know how much time I have on this camera. I've never filmed with this one before, so hopefully it's got enough storage. But Dokiro Yaiba, a mouthful. Earthshaker. Eye of Truth. Metal Detector. Enchanted Javelin. I feel like that one's definitely from the anime. Invitation to a Dark Sleep. Science Soldier. Gust. And Shallow Grave. And I really like that artwork. It's awesome looking. Alrighty. Moving on. Gosh darn it, I keep forgetting. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Deep Sea Warrior, Island Turtle, Sky Scout, Beater, 4-starred Ladybug, Minor Goblin Official, add one to the Goblin collection, the 3-headed Guido, oh yeah, Ground Collapse, Burning Land, pretty cool old school artwork, and Monster Recovery rare. Alright. Man, kind of been a little dry after we got the Jinzo. What kind of rarity is that? It's a secret rare, I think, when it's like the lines are diagonal like that. So yeah, just let me know if it's something different. So. Armored Glass, Doki Royaiba, Mr. Volcano, Skull Mariner, Cyber Falcon, Radius, Twin-Headed Fire Dragon, Spikebot, and Shift. I haven't seen that one yet. Cool. Alright. Thinking of doing a draft soon with some of my friends from work, and I'm trying to find an old set that has some cool staples, but also some cool nostalgic cards. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, that'd be great. So what? Did I mess that up? Did I do 5? Well, this is also a really cool card. This is a super rare, a limiter removal. But I don't know what I just did. Or maybe it was, I don't know. I'll have to go back and see if I pulled 5 or not. But yeah, this thing's awesome. Let's leave that bad boy. That was definitely one of my other favorite parts of the show was it Zane? I think. I don't know. Whoever had the fake fan, whoever had the Cyber Dragon deck, where he used limiter removal to basically just one-shot people. So I did mess around with that in Duel Links and Master Duel. Luminous Healer, Light of Intervention. That is a cool looking card. I'm hoping this focuses right, so we'll see. Looks like my camera might be dying, so let's see if it dies or not. Gift of the Mystical Elf. Inspection. Thousand Eyes Idol, and Vampire Baby. Yeah, so I had to basically just charge up the camera again, and oh boy, it was making me anxious just sitting here without opening these packs. Not gonna lie, I just wanted to open them, but persevered. I'll be a little quicker this time, but think the camera should hold up now. So hopefully. So, yep. All-seeing white tiger. Insect imitation. Gamble. Solemn wishes. Cold wave. DNA surgery. Dark bat. Attack and receive. And light force sword. Rare. Alright, we only got 2 more packs on this right side of the box. Hopefully we can get some good pulls. I think we got 2 supers. And then that 1 secret, so I don't know how the ratios work. But we'll see. Probably due for one of them soon. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Island turtle. Bombardment beetle. Respect play. Bite shoes. That's an old school. Girochin Kuwagata. Or this in like speed duel. I think this was in the first set. Shadow of Eyes. Time Seal. World Suppression. And Skull Invitation. Cool looking guy too. Another 2 more packs. Tell you one thing that I'm always like afraid of when I watch people do unboxings is when they use scissors. Like when they take the scissors, and I'm sure they go like this or whatnot, and then they cut it off here. I'm so afraid of just still catching the edge of some card. Like, what if it was a Jinzo or something like that, and you pull it, and it's like you chopped it. So I don't know. Insect barrier, sword hunter. I'm pretty sure that's like a short print. That guy's pretty cool. I set that guy to the side. The regulation of tribe. Eye of Truth. Darkfire Soldier. Minor Goblin Official. Mystic Probe. Type 0 Magic Crusher. I can see that. Weird. And another Shallow Grave. Cool. Alright. Last pack on the right. Let's see what we get. Major Riot. Flying Kamakiri. Metal Detector. I don't even know how to say that. Kisatai. 7 completed. Invitation of the Dark Sleep, or to a Dark Sleep. Science Soldier. And Mad Sword Beast. Wait, no, we got one more. Oh wow, Thousand Eyes Restrict. Super. Awesome. least I think super, right? Shine on that guy. Sorry about this lighting. That's what I could do with on such short notice. Alright, we're on to the left side packs. See what you can get. I like this guy. Bubonic Vermin, Bombardment Beetle, Mr. Volcano, Gamble, Solomon's Law Book. Gift of the Mystical Elf. Overdrive. I wonder if any of these actually saw like in the anime. I don't feel like I never saw this kind of card in the anime. Souls of the Forgotten. Prohibition. Pretty cool. It's like a Banksy kind of thing. Alright, let's go. This pack came apart raw. Bad. I think we got a foil in this one. Bent, kind of funny. Let's see. Oh. Well, that answers that question. I guess it's only 3. I guess you're supposed to do 3. Dust Tornado. That guy out. OG for sure. OG for sure. Alright. Deep Sea Warrior. Let's see if I can get a better focus. Maybe. Insect Barrier. Darkfire Soldier. Number 1. Invitation to a Dark Sleep. Driving Snow. Time Seal. Science Soldier. And Appropriate. This guy reminds me of Shaggy, Scooby-Doo. Oh. It's a cool card. So, activate only when your opponent draws a card outside of either draw phase. Cool. Alright, how many do we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do we say, just 3? Just 3, I guess. Weird. Armored Glass. Oni Tink, 34. Wingweaver. Cold Wave. 3-headed Geedo. Burning Land. Spikebot. Michizuri. It's a cool trap card. Sure. A good one. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. So no, I think it should be. I think it should be 4. I don't think I'm wrong with that. I don't know. Weird. I think it's supposed to be. I have no clue. I don't know. We'll keep doing 4. I think 3 is not right. Maybe it's wrong with the ratios. I don't know how they put them in there. Keep going. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Infinite Dismissal. Flame Champion. Metal Detector. Solemn Wishes. Cyber Falcon. Garochin Kuwagata. Attack and Receive. Dark Bat. And Hayabusa Knight. Pretty cool. Kind of sad, my motorcycle's a little kind of broken right now, so gotta get it fixed. But a lot of people at work, they have Hayabusas, so you can comment below what kind of motorcycle you have if you got one. So I have a Ninja 650, but used to have a SV 650 Suzuki, and that thing, I love that thing. I don't know why I sold it. I should have kept it. So, but Major Riot, Flying Kamakiri, Darkfire Soldier, Regulation of Tribe, Shadow of Eyes, Steel Orger Grotto, World Suppression, Focus, Zero Magic Crusher, I can't say that one, and Shift. Cool. I feel like that was almost like a repeat back from one that we already had. Yeah, they're the same. I feel my leg going to sleep. I'm sitting here. I am sitting on the floor right now. So this is what I had, what I could do. Try to have some. Oh my lord. Okay, well, I don't know. I think we just start doing 3, or maybe not. But we just got a Buster Blader. This dude is awesome looking. Yeah, this art definitely. What is his name? There's this like golden. He looks kind of like a mech. Pretty sure he's from GX era. This art reminds me a lot of that. I'll try to put something up if I figure it out on the video. So, but Buster Blader, awesome. I didn't know that this was in here. So, but awesome. That's gonna go in the top loader too. So, I love that foil on these. Those is nuts. All-Seeing White Tiger, 4-star Ladybug of Doom, Drillbug, Enchanted Javelin, Radius, Souls of the Forgotten, Gust, and Dimension Hole. Cool looking guy. Hopefully this is the same sort of angle from the first one when I started recording, but we'll see. It is what it is, so I'm not a professional. Maybe one day. I guess we do 3. Let's just go from there, and then we'll figure it out. Keep going. Bubonic Vermin, Drillbug, Wingweaver, DNA Surgery, Gift of the Mystical Elf, Burning Land, Time Seal, and Forced Requisition. Let's see if we got anything. Nope. Armored Glass. I really like the artwork on that one. Cool. Don't know what I'm going to do with all these commons, but we'll see. Maybe I'll sell them, maybe I'll try to do some old format. I was going to do a old format draft, like I said earlier. Maybe we'll have some of those in there. So, I don't know. You just did 3, I think. 3. Infinite Dismissal. Oni Tank 34. Dark Fire Soldier number 1. Cold Wave. Gogata. Reign of Mercy. Inspection. Cool. And Dimension Hole. And Mirror Wall. Oh my god, look at that. Nostalgic on this card too. Super powerful card. Back in the day. I don't know if it is like now or if even you can play it now, but oh my god, awesome. Mirror Wall, I couldn't have asked for a better card than this, to be honest. Mirror Wall, Buster Blader, and a Jinzo. Holy crap. Awesome. That thing looks sick. Alright. Well, keep it rolling. Don't know how much longer I have on the camera still, so I only have the 1 battery for it. I need to get more if I'm gonna keep doing this. Or maybe I'll just do it with my phone. I see a lot of people record stuff with their phone nowadays. So, the cameras on the phone's pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Earthshaker. Deep Sea Warrior. Respect Play. 4-star Ladybug of Doom. Driving Snow. Steel Ogre Grotto number 2. Gust. Damn, that guy's going. Twin-headed Fire Dragon. And another Nobleman of Extermination. Nobleman cards, pretty darn good. Remember, like early on, it's one of the only ways I feel like you can get rid of spells and stuff like that. Or defense position cards. This one ripped real weird. Hopefully it doesn't do anything funny to the cards in there. At the top. Alright. I'm gonna do only 3 for this. This one's got some wicked like curve to it right here, so it might be a foil. We'll see. Oh, Sword Hunter, pretty cool. Oh, it's going up there. Sky Scout. Regulation of the Tribe. Cyber Falcon. Enchanted Javelin. Dark Bat. World Suppression. Oh. Oh, dude, Morphing Jar? Awesome. I really like the jars. Those things are pretty cool. And Dokuro Yaiba. Only 2 packs left. I don't know if we can really get anything left. We'll see. Island turtle. Yeah, it's got a lot of defense. Bite shoes. I don't know how to say that one. That guy. Three-headed Guido. If you couldn't tell, I'm not a surgeon. I'm sorry if I can't keep my hands steady. So, Dark Fire Soldier number 2. Ground Collapse. Tag and Receive. Magic Drain. Numinous Healer. Last pack. So, see if we get that last pack magic. That was a pretty satisfying open right there. So, hopefully it'll be a satisfying ending, but who knows? That thing's pretty off-centered. We'll go with 3. Alright. Earth Shaker. Light of Intervention. Eye of Truth. Gradius. Shadow of Eyes. Spikebot. Thousand Eyes Idol. Gravity Bind. I'm pretty sure that's what we started off with. And Insect Imitation. So, nothing crazy. But I can't be mad at that unboxing. I'll bring down the stuff that we got. Alrighty. So, I guess that's rare. Magic Drain, Shallow Grave, Monster Recovery, Shift. Alright, yeah. So here's what we got in terms of foils, right? We got Limiter Removal. Awesome card. Backup Soldier. That was the last. Thousand Eyes Restrict. Looks pretty cool. I'll get non-matte, what's it called, sleeves next time. That mirror roll. Oh my goodness. Lovely. Buster Blader. Easy. Dust Tornado. And Jinzo. Dude. That thing's awesome. So, I don't know if it's really worth trying to get it graded because of that issue on the, I mean, you can't really see it right here, that little crease, but I can still sort of see it right there. But I don't know, maybe they won't see it, who knows. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about the different grading places other than PSA, so maybe they will, maybe they won't, but I don't know, I like that. Just Jinzo, you're just gonna sit right there, so awesome. Well, if you guys like this unboxing, I don't really exactly, I've never ended a video, but if you like this kind of unboxing and you want to see more, you know, or you have a comment, let me know what I can do. That would be awesome. So, yeah. But if you guys want to keep watching or whatever, just subscribe, and appreciate it. So, yep, hopefully I can do more of these. Thanks.